Hello guys, welcome to my channel Data Analytic. In this video, you can learn from today's how to import the CSV file and MS Excel file using the Jupyter Notebook. It's one of the biggest tasks for everyone, right? Why means there is some getting the some errors to importing the data in the MS Excel and CSV file, right? Now you can able to see the perfectly how to import the CSV file and MS Excel file. You can able to show you in this video, right? Why means wanted to become a data analyst or data science, want to do some projects related to using the Python, and you can able to know using Jupyter Notebook only. You can able to use some related. You can able to use Matplotlib and pandas and numpy also can able to use, right? Now can able to know how to import the CSV file and MS Excel file using Jupyter Notebook and able to learn this video, guys. First I have to create a one new Python file, right? Yes, this is called new Python file. Now you can able to create. First have to import the fun numpy module. How can you import the numpy module? Now you can import is a numpy as np. Is np means is a numpy is a small. Okay, one more you can able to import is import pandas as pd, right? Now numpy is a panda is a data cleaning purpose only can able to use in the this libraries too is the libraries, and you can able to use the data cleaning purpose and data analytical purpose only can able to use these two libraries. First execute this query. Now you can able to see successfully execute the successfully, right? Now you can how to import the ms excel file and CSV file you can able to know. First df equal to and pd dot read and CSV file and bracket, and you can able to see there is the two files is there. This is one of the SQL, one is CSV file and one is MS Excel file. First you can able to see the how to using CSV file, how to import the file, right? Now you can copy the location. First you need to go with the properties. In the properties there is have the some location. Copy the location first of all and go with the yes and paste it from here. You can use the double quotes and paste it from here, and can use some backslash. Again go with the same and can use some copy the HR analyst. Yes, and same paste it from here. Yes, and you can dot CSV file and close the bracket, and can able to see close the bracket once again and can give the end of the double quotes also and enter, and also you can check getting the some error. Why you can able to get these types of error? Now you can able to give the double quotes from here, double slash from here is same here also. You can give the some double slash and double slash. Yeah, here also double slash and some here also double slash you can able to give. Now you can execute this. Now you can able to see successfully completed. Now df dot sorry df dot or you can df can enter run this query. You can able to see 1480 rows and columns are 38 columns are there, right guys? Now you can able to know how to import the CSV file. Now you can able to see the one more is the MS Excel file. How to import the MS Excel file also can able to see. As a small request guys, if you really like this, would like subscribe my data analyst also. And if wanted to become a data analyst, wanted to become a data scientist and business analyst also, and this video is belongs to you. And also can able to go to my data analytic channel. You can able to see the lot of videos related to Power BI reports and MS Excel and reports and using CSV file projects also. Everything projects will be there, and also SQL codes also can able to have. You can go to the playlist and you can able to see the lot of videos are can able to see. Once you can able to check the my playlist also guys. Yes, and go with the sim Jupyter. Yes, now can able to the how to import the MS Excel file, right? Yes, enter. Now go with the one more. Yes, can remove it. Yes, yeah, yes. Now can go with the this sales and profit dashboard and same right click and go with the properties. In the properties you can copy the location. Same go with the Jupyter Notebook. Yes, and you can able to write df1 equal to and read sorry pd dot read underscore and you can write the MS Excel bracket and paste it from here. Yes, and you can give the backslash and go with the same. Yes, and you can copy the sales and profit data and paste it from here. Yes, and one more dot, and you can give the, since this is MS Excel, right? How can you go XLS6? Can give from here XLXS and double quotes and close the bracket and enter. Now you can getting the same error. You can give us some double slash. Yes, here also double slash. Yeah, here also double slash. Same double slash. Yes, double slash. Yeah. Now enter. Now can able to see successfully import the MS Excel file. Right? Yes. What happened? Is getting some error. What happened? Can you see? Yeah. What? Okay. 1 second. We give a correct only now. XLS6. X. Sorry. Yes. X. Yeah. Now enter. Now you can able to see. Right? Now DF1. Enter. Now you can able to see the 8,314 rows and 9 columns are there. Right guys? Now successfully how to import the CSV file and MS Excel file also guys. And if you really like this or like, subscribe my data analyst guys. Don't miss it. Wanted to become a data analyst and the business analyst. Look at my videos. Definitely wanted to become a good career of your life. Okay guys. Bye bye.